Oh, yeah, perfect timing yan. Yan yun. Ito talaga, it's a movie date.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming to our block screening for the movie Sunny. We want to extend our gratitude, our thanks. Thank you so much to the cast and the director we have today, Miss Angelo De Leon, Miss Candy Pangilinan, Miss Vina Morales, and of course, Direct Jazz. Thank you so much for gracing our block screening. Thank you. Please find your beds so that we can start the movie. And we also ordered pizza and pasta, and we're going to serve it to you guys now. Thank you so much! Thank you. By the way, it was Robin's idea. No, Robin demanded. Sabi niya, kailangan daw magpa-block screening for Sunny because this is now the perfect Barkada movie. So I hope you guys, alam naman, part ako ng cast. I hope you enjoy the movie. Thank you!
Labanan ng video no? Tapatan. Tapatan tayo, ah.